Hello and welcome to this special edition of Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So in today's discussion, we are going to talk about how the crypto markets are performing, what is the trajectory of altcoins, how this Cardano ecosystem is gaining from this recent development, what is the movement in Litecoin, and why the artificial intelligence tokens and the entire sector are gaining in today's trade. This is Manoj Dara and let's get started with this session on 3.0 TV. But do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So if we talk about the overall crypto market, Bitcoin and Ethereum are trading higher. There were concerns about the term tariff trade, but यहाँ पे एक थोड़े से वेन ऑफ होते हुए दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. एक recent development ऐसा हुआ है कि जो top altcoins है that are ripping attention from the meme coins, that's what the sentiment data is actually said, and there is also a 44% shift back to the main layer 1 tokens. That's what the intentions are. So कल हमने आपको बताया था यहाँ पर कि there were 16 states जो बिटकॉइन रिजर्व की एक स्ट्रैटेजी बना रहे हैं. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं जो एक 20th स्टेट जो है नॉर्थ कैरोलिना का, that is actually working on this process, and this is actually a big positive. The third positive which is there in the market is Strategy, which was earlier known as MicroStrategy, has resumed its Bitcoin purchase, and it was just actually taking their total holdings to 478,700 Bitcoins के करीब वो लेके गए हैं, and this is actually a big positive for the crypto markets. Corporate adoption में outside the US, Japanese game maker जो Gumi है, it has actually announced a $6.6 million purchase of the bitcoins, and this is actually driving. This is the second company from Japan who is taking a lead in buying bitcoins. Corporate adoption, institutional buying, that is the reason why the markets are trading higher. यहाँ से थोड़ा अटेंशन डाइवर्ट करते हैं कार्डानो की तरफ. अगर हम बात करें यहाँ पर, कार्डानो इज ट्रेडिंग हायर बाय अराउंड 14 to 15%. एक ही रीज़न है वहाँ पर, ग्रे स्केल ETF एप्लीकेशन की तरफ एक पॉजिटिव साइन है, एंड विच इज एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग द कार्डानो इकोसिस्टम टू गेन. Now let's focus our attention from Cardano to Litecoin, which has actually jumped 10% on the hopes of yet another ETF approval, getting by the SEC with a 90% chances in 2025 as per the analyst. Now shifting our focus to the sectors, AI tokens जो है, और आज के सेशन में they are trading higher. Tokens such as the Near Protocol, Internet Computer and the BitSnore were trading higher in the range of 4 to 10%. Technically क्या है कि यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें Near Protocol की, which is 4 to 5% का गेन्स रजिस्टर किया हुआ है. एक नियर फाउंडेशन है उनका, जिन्होंने एक $20 million का AI एजेंट फंड एक लॉन्च किया हुआ है, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई द एंटायर सेक्टर, मे बी द कॉइन्स, एंड देयर इज अ ट्रैक्शन इन दिस सेक्टर. So let's get started with the technical check. Bitcoin, which is testing a key support zone of $95,000 के करीब कुछ है, इट इज सिटिंग नियर 100 डेमा. यहाँ पर एक इंपॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट देखना पड़ेगा कि बिटकॉइन रिमेन्स इन अ ट्रैप. अगर हम रेंज की अगर हम बात करें तो $90,000 और $108,000 के एक कंसोलिडेशन फेज में घूम रहा है. अगर यहाँ पे विच इज एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड टू ब्रेक आउट इन अ क्लियर डायरेक्शन, जो कि वो डायरेक्शन अभी मिल नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि अपसाइड जो है उनका कैप्ड है by the concerns over trade warfare and rising inflation expectations in the US, and that time will tell कि यहाँ पर movement कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाता है. If we talk about Ethereum, the second largest token by market value, has in itself वो भी Ethereum भी लॉक हुआ है between $2,500 to $2,900 since recovering from the Monday's crash जो एक $2,100 के करीब वो फेल हुआ था. Going forward, अगर आउटलुक की अगर हम बात करें, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell is due to speak on Tuesday for the semi-annual monetary policy, एक testimonial before the Senate Banking, Housing and the Urban Affair Committee, and his comments on the tariff and inflation जो है बहुत ही crucial होगा and likely to be closely monitored and could shape the market movement going forward. If you talk about the other economic data such as the CPI figures on the 12th will further determine the market direction and the way in which the market is performing. Keep watching our Coin Monitor and watch this special market show for all your updates related to your investments. Thank you.